I've been having a ton of fun lately taking a single 2x4 and making something with it, using nothing else. This build is no different and could be done a few different ways, which I'll show you. From really easy to a little more complex, which can add to your sales price if you're selling. I simply cut my 2x4 in half at 48 inches and went to the joiner. With two faces square to each other, everything just builds itself much easier after. On the planer, I got the opposite side plane, both sides if you haven't joined it. On the table saw, the first board I ripped it to 3 inches, and again, rip both sides if you're not using the joiner. On the second board, I'm making two 2x2s, the rest you can discard or keep for another project. It's a good little piece for some trims. Take one of those 2x2s and rip it in half. This is what you should have, ready to cut them into parts. Set both of your miter saw blades to 5 degrees for a compound cut. I'm cutting those at 11 3/4 inches to have enough to make 4 from my 2x2. Set your saw back to 0 degrees and cut the 3-inch 2x4 in 4 parts. If you want a cut list instructions to follow along, check the description for details. While at it, please like and subscribe, it helps the channel a ton. Thanks to all subscribers. Glue those as a board. It'll be the top. Make sure it's also clamped flat against the table. Put your legs up on the table like this and it'll make it easy to know what goes where. Split them in two and put them the outside towards the table. Here I'm measuring what length I'll need for the skirts, and it ended up being 6.5 inches for the top. Set your miter saw to 5 degrees on the front setting, 0 in the back, and cut non-parallel 5-degree cuts with the 1x2s. Measure the bottom where you want the second to land. It landed at 8 inches and a quarter. Cut 4 of each size. To assemble, I glue and clamp them in place using an off-cut trim from earlier to raise them up about 1/4 of an inch from the workbench. Do the same for the second side. Now this is where you can do a few things to make this a little more worked or not, giving it more polished result or not. Today as an example, I'll do the simplest way, not necessarily my favorite, and I'll compare it to ways I usually use, which I'm a bit torn on my favorite. Here I'm simply drilling and screwing from the outside, and I'll match the screw color to my finish, which will still turn out great. Usually I tend to do one or two of the other ways. My favorite way I'd say is to pre-drill with a pocket hole drill bit from the outside about halfway through the 2x2. Then screw it, leaving enough space to plug a dowel and cut and sand it flush. Another way I often do, and it gives the best result from an outside view, is simply pocket holes from the outside from the underside. It does leave feeling of a lot of holes and a very ugly underside, but it's solid and looks great from outside. Today I just wanted to keep it simple and show that it'll still work and look great. To assemble the sides together, do the same thing against the table with a razor. Last minute I decided to remove a little less than 1/4 inch from the bottom braces, the third and fourth sides, so they land a little higher. Screw them again, I'm using the same simple pre-drill and screw way. If this was hardwood, I'd use a countersink drill bit, but with softwood like this, it can land flush easily without it. I got a big miter saw, so I'll use it to trim off the sides to make an even square on my 2x4 top. Use a table saw if you can't do that. With glue all along the top ledge, it's ready to drop onto the least nice side of the 2x4 top. Pre-drill and screw from the skirts into the top. Give this thing a solid sanding. Make the top seem a lot more round and bubbly compared to this square block of wood. Pound over the sides of the legs. Be creative with it, it shows in the end result. I give it a nice finish with Veritaine's wood ager, followed by their outside finish in gloss. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more. Click one of the videos above that YouTube thinks you'll like. See you soon with a new build.